And so it's finally time to replace these. These are just like aluminum foil sheets, and I use these every single day when I make the kids lunch. Not because you haven't seen aluminum foil, but because I want you to see like the thickness and size. They're like 9 by 10 inches, so nice and big. I'm always able to put like the kids' sandwiches or whatever I've made them, and have plenty of like excess material to wrap them up. I'm going to show you here in a second. It's not super thick tin foil, but it's thick enough to hold that. And these are great, like if you have an air fryer and you just kind of want to drop them in the basket. Every year I have to rebuy the things. So this, which comes with 500 sheets, and then these is like the wax paper that I put in here, dry wax paper, and this is also 500 sheets. Like when I'm making their lunch, take this, and then I'll just pull one of these and stick it here. So that way, whatever I've put in here, you know, it's in the wax paper, which helps it to be like less soggy. It won't stick to anything. Pretend this is a sandwich. That'd be a weird sandwich. And then a lot of times I'll just press the ends like that. And then just whoop, whoop, throw it in their lunchbox. Anyway, this is a great hack if you make a lot of lunches, or I mean, even for business, but I just wanted to show you guys what the relative size was. And again, they're both 500. Literally been using these for like a decade. Amazing products, love them.